Passage English 60. Para. Honesty is the best policy is a well-known saying. It means that honesty helps a person in being successful or achieving his aims. I would go a step further and say that instead of making honesty only a matter of policy, we should make it a matter of faith. The foundation of all our actions, whether it leads to our success or not. We should not be honest only when it suits us or for selfish reasons, but it should be a matter of principle with us. It is possible that a person who is honest in all his dealings may not grow rich as fast as a dishonest person, but the success achieved by an honest person will be of a poor kind, earned without cheating or injustice. Para. One might as well ask what exactly is meant by honesty. Is meant by honesty. It is nothing but being honest to oneself and to the duty one performs. A man may be working in a bank or in a factory or on a farm, or he may be daily wage earner. He gets his happiness and satisfaction from the sense of honesty with which he does his work. Dishonesty does not mean simply cheating people, but cheating oneself. If I am not sincerely and dishonestly doing the job given to me and for which I am paid, then I am a dishonest man. Honesty must be the basic principle of our life overstep.